don't want that.
I'm
an elected official.
I actually do. Elected official of what?
Cook County.
Now, tell your attorney, since he's on the phone, are you going to do field sobriety tests or no?
No.
Okay.
No,
Are you
wait.
arrested? You said
I'll be there in 5 minutes. They just would wait
5 minutes.
until I get there.
you're not gonna wait.
I've had many uncooperative DUI subjects before, but an elected official refusing to identify herself and calling her attorney? This one's different.
Are you all right? Do you need an ambulance or anything? Okay. Do you need an ambulance or anything? Let's walk to your car because I don't want you to get hit by a car, okay?
Well, I'm not.
Yeah, I see that's your car. Here, ma'am, right over here. Right over here. Right over here. Right over here. Okay, you start off with your driver's license, please?
Sure.
Why don't you have a seat in your car, man? Why don't you have a seat in your car?
Okay.
Let's start off with your driver's license and your proof of insurance, okay?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, he wants a driver's license and a proof
Who's this?
of my attorney.
Your who? Your attorney? All right. You can call him in a little bit because right now everything's recording audio and video, okay? But you're involved in a traffic accident. I'd like to see your driver's license and your proof of insurance.
Ask him.
Okay. He's not driving, dear.
Just hang. Yeah, just hang up, Samantha, and I'll be there. Tell him I'm on my way.
Yes.
He's on his way.
Yes. He said you'll be on your way.
Interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll
Let's
be
start
there.
off with your driver's license and your
I'll wait for
insurance.
him.
I know, ma'am, but I need to see your driver's license to verify you're okay to be driving. And number two, your insurance, so we can start the paperwork. There's some damage done to your car.
I'll wait for him.
May I
Okay.
tell you that everything's being audio and
I know.
videotaped, okay?
I'm just saying I'll wait for
I'm
my friend.
requesting your driver's license and your proof of insurance. I'm sure you can provide me with those two things while we're waiting for your attorney to show
I'll
up.
wait
So
for him.
right off the bat, I do detect her slurring her words. She was a little unstable on her feet as he made the approach. So that is even more so why he needs to keep her inside of this vehicle until they start the DUI investigation process, because if she wanders into traffic, gets hit by a car, that's going to come back on him, and they're going to be asking him why he allowed her to roam freely outside of the vehicle.
Okay, but we don't have to wait for him. I need
I
to see
need to wait for him.
Okay, ma'am. We don't need to make this any more complicated than it already is. It's just an accident. I just need to see your driver's
Fine.
license.
I'll wait for him.
Okay, ma'am. Do you want me to handcuff you and arrest you?
No.
Because right now, at this point, you're refusing to provide any.
I am.
You are. You realize that, right?
Yes. I'm an elected official.
You what?
I don't want any of this.
Well, ma'am,
I'll
you're
wait
involved
for
in an
him.
accident. You've hit several cars.
Oh.
So, yeah, I need to see your driver's
Because
license so I can
someone
start the paperwork.
pulled out in front of me and I...
So, okay, great. I'll ask you that in a second. But I really need to verify this is your car?
No, it's my friend's car.
It's your friend's car. Okay. Do you have a valid driver's
I
license?
do.
Okay, great.
And I have insurance.
How about an ID?
I do.
Okay, can I see some of those so I can know
I'll
who
wait
you
for
are?
my attorney.
Okay. I'm trying to I'm just trying to work with
I
you
know.
here. But you're not providing me your driver's license and insurance.
Nope.
And why are we waiting for your attorney for?
This is my friend.
He's your friend. Okay, but he wasn't here in the car. Okay, you want to give him a call?
He's coming.
Okay. You want to give him a call so I can talk to him?
You want to talk to him?
Yeah, please.
Officer wants to talk to you.
Okay.
Definitely some slurring going on.
This is Officer Fernandez from the 20th District. Oops. Oh, how are you? Your client here. Your client here was involved in an accident. How far are you? Hello?
Like 25 minutes.
Okay, I need to see her driver's license and her proof of insurance. And she's understanding that she doesn't have to provide that to me until you arrive. Can you advise your client
That is not true.
that...
I would be happy to advise her what the law is.
Okay, please, can you advise her so I could get this paperwork started?
I will.
Great, thank you.
Absolutely,
Now, you listen
officer.
to
I'm
him?
sorry about that.
Yeah, I know it's on the side.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, so go ahead. It is by state law. You have to give him your driver's license and your insurance
Great,
information.
that's great
You
advice.
can then start the paperwork. That is exactly what you should do, and I'll be there in about 25 minutes to give further advice. That's all you're required to do. Your name and your driver's license and insurance.
Great, thank
Give
you.
him that. That
And you said this is not your car, right?
No, it's my
Do
friend's
you happen
car.
do you happen to know if he has insurance?
He does.
Can you go look in the glove compartment for me?
It's a fancy car. I don't
Yeah,
know
I
how to
understand.
open it.
I just need to look at see if he's got insurance.
So there are some times if you cannot provide your proof of insurance, there are sometimes in some jurisdictions that dispatch can look that information up if you don't have it readily available, but you should always be able to provide that proof of insurance to prove that that vehicle is insured to be driven on the roadway. Because if you hit someone and someone dies, that's not a good situation to be in.
I don't know how to open the fancy.
You want me to take a look to see if he's got it?
I think that.
Oh, there you go. Great. Yep, that seems to be it. I'll be right back. Stay in your car, okay?
Ma'am, we need you to exit. It's not you telling us. We're not taking your word for it. We don't take nobody's word for it. We just need you exiting so we know you're good. You just got involved in an accident. It's like
I did, but my friend is coming. If I go outside, I'm not going to be like so secure. And then my friend's coming.
Secure. Everything is on video and audio recorded.
I know.
Yeah.
So, can you exit?
I can.
Okay, please do. I'm waiting for you. Ma'am, we know you're good.
Okay, so there's many reasons they're wanting her to exit the vehicle, and she may not want to until her attorney gets there. But the reason they want her to exit the vehicle is because you can hear the vehicle is still running. So they want to eliminate any possibility of her throwing that vehicle into drive and going out and hitting someone, because again, that's going to come back on them if she does that.
Good. We heard you, but you need to step out so we can see if you're good.
I'm fine.
Okay, I know you're fine. Just exit the car then.
I don't have to exit the car.
Yes, you do.
No,
We're
I
giving
don't.
you a lawful order.
You were involved in an accident. You're gonna
was.
have to, or we're gonna assist you, make you exit.
I'll wait.
So you better off
I'll
just
wait
exit.
for my attorney.
Are you going to exit or no? All right, you need to exit.
I will be fine.
She says she knows you. She said you
She does
texted
know
her.
me. She's my friend.
Okay, so exit the vehicle
No, I'm not leaving the vehicle.
then. Ma'am, if you don't exit the vehicle, I'm gonna help you to exit, and you don't want that.
You don't want that.
I
I'm
do.
an elected official.
I actually do. Elected official of what?
Cook County.
Cook County. You elected which office? What's your name?
I'm Sam.
Sam who?
Hey, Sarge, is it okay for a friend tells her to walk out, step out?
No, she's saying she's an elected official
I
of
don't
Cook
want-
County.
I don't want to
Okay.
be on the video.
Oh,
You are on video.
You are on video.
You are
It
on
has
video,
to be on
ma'am.
video. Yes, ma'am.
So you need
I'll
to.
wait for my attorney.
Okay.
Nope, I'm waiting for my attorney.
So she's not exiting. We're gonna have to make her exit, and we do.
Okay.
She is not compliant right now, as you can see.
Does she?
And she'd say she's an elected official of something we don't even know.
Also, her saying she doesn't want to be on video, tough luck. Lots of departments require that body camera to be running 100% of the time they are in contact with anyone in the public. And again, that is for the subject's safety and their own. Video evidence is irrefutable proof as to what happened during the events.
Does she need to be compliant at this moment?
Of course she does. She was
Well, I
involved in
mean,
an
can she
accident.
wait? Can she wait for her attorney?
No.
Well, regardless of
She
the
was
attorney being here
involved
or
in an
not,
accident.
you
Okay.
still have to conduct a field
Even
survival.
if the attorney is here, there's nothing he's gonna tell her. She was involved in an accident, and we're doing our investigation. And obviously she doesn't want to. Ma'am. Okay, here's the thing. You were involved in an accident, correct? So you're gonna have to exit. If you don't exit, then we're gonna make you exit.
That car.
Can you give her a
Sorry,
second?
that's
I think you should do
Give her
that.
a second.
That's all you have to do.
That's the attorney.
Get out
You
of the
told her you
car.
have to exit.
I think that's
Okay, he told you to exit.
Cops finally got her to exit the vehicle. This woman is Samantha Steele, who is Board of Review Commissioner for Cook County, the county that houses Chicago. As you'll see, Miss Steele will be spending a lot of time in courtrooms over the coming months.
Good.
I'm waiting for him.
Yeah, you gotta come out.
you get out of the car.
Exit the car.
Be careful with traffic, man. Stay right here. Stay right here. We don't want you to go out. Been involved in the accident.
Mostly, the attorney's role is to protect you from possibly incriminating yourself through statements. The attorney does not protect your right to not exit the vehicle. You must still oblige by the lawful command the officer is giving you.
Okay.
Fine.
Now you can hang up the phone, ma'am.
No.
We're still doing our
My
investigation.
attorney.
Okay. Now, tell your attorney, since he's on the phone, are you going to do field sobriety tests or no?
No.
Okay.
No,
Are you
wait,
being
wait.
arrested? You say no. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that. We were waiting for
So the reason they are now placing her into handcuffs and effecting the arrest is because she has refused to do the standardized field sobriety tests. At this point, they have reasonable, articulable suspicion and probable cause to believe that she is under the influence of alcohol while driving a motor vehicle. They have the motor vehicle accident, the slurred speech, and whatever else they're picking up on, whether that be the odor of alcohol and or bloodshot eyes. They have more than enough to detain her in the very least for suspicion of driving under the influence of alcohol.
We were waiting for that. Because she just refused. I asked her to do field sobriety tests and she refused. And she smelled like alcohol. She's been drinking. Oh, so you've been recorded all this time. You've been recorded.
Yeah.
All right?
I'll be there in 5 minutes. They just would wait
5 minutes.
until I get there.
You're not gonna wait. Let's go. You've been transported.
No,
She's not doing the
I'm
field
not
sobriety
going.
test.
I'm not going.
She's under arrest right
Give
now.
her my purse. Take the
Here,
purse.
this is the purse.
Thank you.
I'm not going.
Okay.
063.
Let's hold on.
31.
Can you give him 5
Hi,
minutes?
I'm not that.
No, we're not giving you many minutes.
I'm just escorting you to the car.
I'm not that mean.
She's not doing the field, so we're not gonna be still drinking. She struck a bunch of cars. Okay? She struck a bunch of cars. We're taking you in.
Come on, man, let's go.
Have a seat,
Let's see
please.
the car.
Can we just like?
No, we're not. We're gonna sit in the car.
That's why you got Uber, you got taxi, you could have done all of that.
Okay, have a seat in the car. Let's go have a seat in the car.
Have a seat.
Have a seat in the car. Let me get on the other side.
Have a seat, miss.
I can't. She's in.
Alright, you got
How
a
did
small,
that
you got
happen?
a small wrist. No, we have to.
Give her a
No.
You want to do the field? You want to do the field?
Sam.
We ask you to do it and you say no.
Okay,
I
let's
don't
have
know
a seat
what
in the
you're
car.
saying. You guys are
Field
so
sobriety
like.
this is tight.
Oh, I do feel a sobriety test.
Alright, do it.
Oh, she's gonna do him now?
Alright, come on. Give me a chance. This way. This way.
Rewind, Sam.
Ma'am, we're not mean. You imagine somebody crashed. So you wearing lenses.
Yes.
You wear glasses. You have them on right now.
I've contacts.
Can you see me without can you see me with them? Okay? You
I
good?
mean, cannot
Okay.
see like.
Alright, so now how's your head? You have any injuries? Your
I
head
hit
is good?
my head
You hit your head? When?
when I hit the car.
You want an EMS? You want to call an ambulance?
Yes,
You want us to call an ambulance for you?
that would be good.
Okay, we'll call an ambulance.
But I can I can do the sobriety.
You can do it? You
Yes.
sure? Okay,
No.
so
I want
put
the ambulance.
both feet together like this.
Yes, I would like it to
Okay,
ambulance.
put both feet together.
I would like it.
There's lots of jurisdictions that don't allow a police officer to continue with the standardized field sobriety tests, such as the horizontal gaze nystagmus test or the eye test, the 9-step walk and turn, and the one-legged stand test. Because if they're involved in a motor vehicle accident, it's hard to say if that accident could result in some signs of impairment that alcohol also causes.
Just letting you know you're under arrest. So now when we go to the hospital, you're still under arrest.
Okay.
What happened to them? What happened? Just what happened?
I don't know. I was driving.
Okay. Where were you coming from? Where were you coming from?
My friends. Are you?
5020 North on Aspen.
No, I'm just, yeah.
It's fine.
Where were you were you drinking?
No.
No?
No.
Are
Sam,
you,
don't answer any questions according to
Man, if you're going to be
attorney.
interrupted, then probably have a set over here.
I'm talking
Because you're
to her
interfering
attorney.
right
It's
now
fine.
in an
It's
investigation.
fine.
So,
Oh.
you
Hear
just have
the
to
advice
stand.
of her attorney.
So what happened just right now here? I know, but where were you coming from prior to that?
They pulled me out of the car. I don't know.
Okay. Alright. It is what it is. I mean, I smell alcohol, so it is what it is. You're gonna get under arrest for DUI.
No.
What do you mean, no?
Yeah.
No.
I mean, what do you mean, no?
No. attorney.
What do you mean, no?
Talk to my attorney.
Yes, we're gonna wait here.
No, he could come to the station. She's gonna get under arrest
He's
first.
here. He's parking his car right now.
Just stand up, ma'am.
No.
I'm gonna put down a report that you're refusing field sobriety test.
Yes.
Okay? So I got enough here.
She refused, so
I got enough.
yeah. Once we go to the
Station, then you can call.
She said she want to go to the hospital.
You wanna go to the hospital?
No.
What do you mean no? We call an ambulance. We just wasted.
You
their
said,
time.
do you want medical attention?
We just wasted their time.
Is there?
Stand
It's
up.
not heavy your way, man.
Stand up.
You asked for an ambulance.
It's 2
You
minutes.
wasted this fine
No.
people.
No, she wants to see the end.
You just refused them.
I want to see the end.
You're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
You got a very
One
small
second.
wrist.
You're not going anywhere.
Under arrest. Make sure you call. She has very small wrist. Careful.
Oh my God, you guys are
Drink it. I mean, it's illegal to drink and drive.
So you're gonna have open alcohol in the car.
You know?
Oh,
Can I
perfect.
go with you?
Oh, there comes the attorney, saving the day.
She's gonna have
Oh,
to
he
go.
coming right now.
She hit her head.
All right, you're gonna go ahead.
No,
You're
I
gonna
need to see my attorney.
He's
I'm
right
not
there.
moving.
He's right there.
Yeah, no, my attorney.
Sir, she's been placed in custody.
Okay, so they can take her to the police station to possibly see if she's willing to submit to the standardized field sobriety tests in a more controlled environment under more cameras at the police department. They do not have to wait for her attorney to get there in order to take her to wherever they need to take her.
For driving under the influence of
You
alcohol,
refuse field sobriety
she
test.
struck a bunch of vehicles right there. And that's her open bottle of wine in the car. So,
I didn't drink it.
Don't say anything.
yeah, listen to him.
Has she been Mirandized? Is she under
No,
arrest?
no,
Not
we're
yet.
not Mirandizing her or nothing.
I get
She
it.
refused the field, so
I'll
now
get to
we're
this.
gonna
I know how
take
it
her.
works.
She's gonna go to an ambulance, and then they're gonna go with her. And we still gotta do. How many cars did she crash into? Apartment? 2 cars. Her car is undrivable, so we have to tow it from the scene. All right, let's go. Right here.
At this point, with the odor of alcoholic beverage, the motor vehicle accident, the open containers in the vehicle, her slurred speech, the odor of alcohol, and everything else that they can see that we cannot see being up close to her, there's nothing her attorney can do at this point to save her. This is all a result of her actions tonight.
Yes.
Right here. Over there, please. Thank you, Sam.
Miss Steele was taken to hospital and formally arrested. The police report states that Miss Steele repeatedly mocked the arresting officer regarding the size of his penis. She was charged with 1 count of DUI, and as part of these charges, her license was suspended for up to 1 year awaiting her court date. However, just 1 month later, Samantha was able to successfully have her license reinstated. After her lawyers found an error in the officer's paperwork, the judge ruled that her license could be reinstated. More legal trouble followed Steele shortly after, as Fox 32 reports Cook County taxpayers are set to pay $180,000 as part of a settlement involving a wrongful termination lawsuit specifically against Miss Steele. The ex-employee bringing the lawsuit against Miss Steele alleges she pressured him to leak confidential information. When he refused and reported the issue, he alleges she retaliated by terminating his employment. If this settlement is reached, no parties will be forced to accept fault. Finally, Miss Steele will be back in court in March to face her DUI charge. For a first-time offense similar to what Steele is facing, typical penalties might include jail time up to a maximum of 364 days.
Cases like this are a great reminder that usually the fastest way out of a situation like this is cooperation, not confrontation or getting your attorney involved when you're clearly in the wrong. Anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe for more content.